Hi everyone, welcome to our usual appointment for a new video. Today I'm going to introduce to you mechanical keyboards. You'll probably ask me what a mechanical keyboard is for. If you're a gamer, you probably know the importance in the gaming world. Indeed, it allows you to enjoy an excellent reactivity during your sessions. In addition to being solid, the sensitivity of the keys is better on this one, and it offers you an excellent typing comfort. Moreover, with this type of keyboard, you benefit from a certain precision and faster key return. These qualities explain the interest that many gamers have for a mechanical keyboard. Before going further on the subject, I suggest you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. And don't forget to activate that notification bell afterwards so you don't miss our next appointment. If that's done, let's take a look at the 7 best mechanical keyboards available on Amazon. Let's start with the G-Labs KEYZ CARBONE E keyboard, which is the new model created by G-Lab KEYZ brand. It has practical keys if you want to work with it. In addition to that, they are responsive and precise. In this way, you'll enjoy excellent gameplay that meets your expectations. Another interesting feature on this accessory is its comfortable removable wrist rest. This support creates a convenient slope that allows you to position your wrist properly at all times. This is how you can enjoy excellent comfort at all times and play for a long time without being indisposed. We also note that the presence of 16 different backlighting effects will be illuminating your keyboard. The adjustment of these is very easy. To do so, you just have to make combinations of keys on the keyboard. In addition, the accessory has a very practical and effective anti-ghosting system. The latter is specifically designed to avoid risks and inconveniences caused by the unwanted actions. Another advantage of this keyboard is its robustness. It is made of metal, which makes it strong and durable. You'll be able to use it for several years. Finally, it should be noted that this keyboard is easy to use. It is also compatible on PC, PS4, and Xbox One. Let's continue with this mechanical keyboard from the brand TECKNET. Its ergonomic design is practical because it allows you to save space. Indeed, the equipment is quite compact, which allows you to have more space on your desk. In addition, you don't have to make any concessions on comfort and gaming performance. Moreover, its blue switches are convenient and they allow you to have a quick and comfortable feedback or response. Of course, they add rhythm to your manipulations with the sounds that the keys make. The keyboard is equipped with an anti-ghosting system that records all your actions. This allows all your keys to work at the same time at high speed. Also, it allows you to enjoy an excellent game response and exceptional performance. This keyboard is great for gamers, programmers, and typists. With its ease of use and speed, it meets your professional and gaming requirements. It should also be noted that 2 colors are injected into each key. This allows you to have visibility on the buttons and take advantage of the lighting to play on good conditions. The KLIM DOMINATION keyboard, on the other hand, is a practical color RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. It offers you very fast, responsive, and pleasant typing. This way, you won't waste time and you'll be able to work quickly. This keyboard was also designed to be stable, so it'll stay well fixed on your desk whatever the manipulations you carry out. In addition, it has an anti-scratching coating, braided cable, and a metal structure, etc. that further enhance the durability. With this KLIM keyboard, you have the total freedom of customization. In fact, it offers up to 21 different effects as well as many individual colors for your keys. The combinations offered to you are unlimited and you can recreate the keyboard that suits your preferences. Note also that this accessory is intelligent. Indeed, it tells you precisely when you have to activate a key. In this way, you can quickly move on to the next key. Designed especially for gamers, you will appreciate this mechanical keyboard because it's very compact. Not only does this compactness allow you to save space, but also you enjoy great performance. It should also be noted that this has switches that offer notable speed and precision. As for its keys, they're programmable. You can therefore customize and adjust them according to your preferences. Moreover, the keyboard has many colors. You can change them to create the style that suits you. In addition, the keys have a lifespan of 80 million keystrokes, so you can use it as long and regularly as you want. Another advantage of this keyboard is that it has grooves that allow you to lock the cables into the direction that suits you. This way, you won't clutter your desk or table with wires. Finally, the keyboard is powered by RAZER Chroma RGB technology. Thanks to this, you get increased immersion in the game and customizable lighting system. The Logitech G513 keyboard is a mechanical gaming keyboard with a soft wrist rest. The latter is equipped with memory foam. It adapts to your hands and resists precipitation for maximum comfort. The case is made of brushed aluminum alloy and is durable, so you can use it for a long time without worrying about it getting damaged. The presence of the USB relay device will facilitate your connections to your mouse, phone, flash drive, keyboard, etc. This model also offers you the possibility to customize the lighting, the game mode, as well as the programming of macros. This is possible thanks to the G-Hub software available for download. In addition, it is equipped with light sync effects and customizable color lighting. With these, you can improve the brightness of your keyboard and enjoy settings that suit you. Also note that it comes with 12 additional keys. With these, you can upgrade your keyboard keys and improve your gaming experience. What about the ROCCAT VULCAN mechanical keyboard? This equipment offers you many options that appeal to gaming enthusiasts. It is equipped with the ROCCAT Titan mechanical switches and responsive keys. Thanks to these, you can enjoy precise typing and excellent speed during your gaming sessions. It also has full RGB, AIMO, and LED backlighting. The latter has a long life. This means that you'll be able to use your keyboard for a long time. In addition, it is equipped with durable and resistant components. For example, its switches are dust resistant. Another feature of this keyboard is its detachable, comfortable, and ergonomic wrist rest. You will also find a very advanced anti-ghosting system that allows you to use all your keys at the same time without bugs. Let's finish this with the THERMALTAKE TT Premium X1, which is a nice and elegant keyboard to use. It has a large choice of colors with 12 dynamic lighting effects. Its complete anti-ghosting system offers you maximum customization possibilities to make your games more enjoyable. Moreover, it avoids bugs and allows you to use your keys at any time during your gaming sessions. It also has a removable wrist rest. Note that in addition to its solidarity, it also is equipped with a voice control. This allows you to make your settings and access the macros and light functions of the keyboard. A little more, this keyboard comes with an application design for smartphones and tablets. Just download it, install it in your devices, and control your keyboard with voice control. Folks, that's our selection of the 7 best mechanical keyboards on Amazon. I have no doubt that you'll find the right model for you among these. If this video has helped you see more clearly which keyboard to choose, feel free to tell us in the comments. Also, before leaving, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate that bell notification. I'll see you soon for a new high-tech video.